Hey everyone, welcome back. Here's how to fix the PrizePicks network error on your phone. Make sure you have a strong signal, so check your internet signal. Weak signals causes this error. Then turn airplane mode on, wait for about 10 to 15 seconds, then turn it back off. Then restart your device. If using VPN, turn it off. VPN can block connection. Then head over to your App Store or your Play Store, search for the PrizePicks app and update the app to the latest version. If that does not work, long press on the PrizePicks app icon, remove app, then delete the app. After deleting it, go to the App Store or Play Store, search for PrizePicks and reinstall it again from there. That's how to fix the PrizePicks network error. Subscribe for more quick fixes.